Yeah, I need to know what time it is, because the days are the days, like every day, family. I'm in the building, and you already know. I go by the name Nana Antwi. And out here, bloody bro, we talk about semen retention. We are out here mastering the flow of the universal giving energy. So if you click on this channel, automatically, bloody bro, you are part of the family, you know what I mean? And I'm nothing without you. Bloody bro, you are the reason why I'm here. And today I want to let you know that we are living in times where men find it hard to go ahead. Bloody bro, it is very hard as a man living in these times, as I'm saying, you know what I mean? There are things putting us down, you know what I mean? Men do not have courage. You understand? We are not out. You understand? We cannot accomplish things out here. Men have no purpose. We are losing ourselves. You understand? The things that are happening out here are putting us down, taking away our masculinity. Bloody bro, this is very real. You understand? And each and every day in our videos, we blame the elites, the matrix. Sometimes, bloody bro, it is because of us. We are not in charge. You understand? We are, you know what I mean? We are dead alive. We need to wake up as men. There are some things, you know what I mean, that we used to do that were not helping us. We need to, you know what I mean, let go. Bloody bro, letting go is very difficult. But if you are able to let go of the programming that we were programmed to live as men, bloody bro, we will be, you know what I mean, we will be safe. Bloody bro, we need to, you know what I mean, open our eyes to the things that are happening. Just this morning, I woke up to go outside to, you understand, to meditate and have some mindful time. Bloody bro, I switch on my TV to look at what is going on, bloody bro, and there was corn. I ain't gonna lie to you, live corn. Two women doing that, you know what I mean, lesbian act, live, naked, on national TV. This thing, I cannot stop talking about it. You understand? On your telephone, they are giving in, and you know what I mean, doing that on that. You are looking at your telephone and you are, you know what I mean, trying your best not to look at it. You switch on your TV to look at national, you know what I mean, news or something, and there is corn on it. You understand, bloody bro? And this is the reason why men are lazy out here. And if you've not retained your seed or you've not been disciplined before, you will never know what is going on out here. You will think that it is a normal life that, you know, I mean, we all have to live. You understand? Just as I saw as I'm saying, I switched on the TV and I saw the corn. If I do not have any idea to retain my seed, if I've never been on this path before, I will just love it. And I will now be happy, and immediately I will think of busting one out. You understand? Busting one, it feels good. You understand? Bloody bro, you letting your energy out. You are trading. It is a trade. You want to feel good, bloody bro. You want to feel good. So you know what I mean? It is the dark forces. These people out here, the positive energies. Let me explain something out here. The positive energies want you to keep the energy inside of you, so that this energy will work inside of you and it will build you up. And the negative energies are telling you, no, it takes time. It is a long process to put your energy inside of you, meditate, transmute. You understand? It is a long process. Just bust one out. So you are trading this strength, this your masculine trait, this your masculine energy, this your life force. You are trading it with that, now I mean, feeling good that you think that the corn is giving to you. You are trading it. They need the energy, the semen, they need it, and you also need that good feeling. So that is the trading that you are trading. So after you give your strength to them, what happens? You become weak. You understand? And this is where the positive energies, now I mean, the on semen retention, your intuition, your energy is telling you, keep it inside of you.
Please don't waste me like this, Papa. When you do that, I cry a lot. I have neither a voice nor tears, but I still feel the pain.
I wanted to live too, Papa. I wanted to become someone's son one day. Share this with that friend who throws me away every day.
And let me build you up. You understand? Charge your body. Do not misuse this energy. Let me help you. Keep me inside of you. I am, you know what I mean, the owner of this vessel. And you say, no, it's a long process. Because as I'm saying, the things out here are are confusing us, that these things are letting us know that, it is a long process to meditate, to transmute and all of that. So just trade it, boss one out, stroke your anaconda. That way you will feel good more. But bro, do not do that. You understand? That is, we are the only beings that do that. Even animals do not do that. They wait for their mating time to come and they do that. And we men, we put it in our hands and we throw it away. And as soon as we give it to the dark forces, we trade this magnetic energy, this semen, this strength, this life force. We become weak because there is no life force inside of us. We become lazy. You understand? We do not want to do anything. We just want to be lazy, stay in our bed and ignore everything, forgetting about ourselves, forgetting that this is what we need. You understand, bloody bro? That is what is, killing men out there here. And I'm gonna be real with you. Not every man knows, because when I was doing that, I never knew that keeping it will help me unless I became, I put it on myself to retain my seed. So, a lot of the times I do not blame people. A lot of people do not know. But if you are on semen retention and you know and you are still doing it, you need to change your mindset. So I'm out there here talking to people that do not know. You understand? If you do not know and you feel weak, you do not know what to do, but bro, life is putting you down. I'm here to sell you. I'm not even selling. This is for free out there here. The only thing I'm asking from you is to like, subscribe, and share. You understand? Comment. That is all that I'm asking from you. So in this video, I'm telling you the medication, what you need to do to step away from this horror, this pandemic that is upon men out there here. You understand? So before I start, I have this video that I want to share. I have this video that I want to play, and after this video we talk, bloody bro.
The reason they attacked men's testosterone first and so aggressively is because a society of healthy, strong, fit, virile men would never allow what is going on right now to happen. This is why the government continues to feminize men all across both Europe and the United States very aggressively, because you need healthy, strong, high testosterone men to fight to uphold the values of freedom of speech, freedom of religion, all the freedoms under the sun, including women's rights, which are protected largely by men. Because the second the government has enough power and there's nobody in their way, they will scoop that power back up from men and women alike.
Bloody bro, if you want to watch the video again, you just watch again. You understand? This is the reason why they are putting men down. Because a society full of masculine men, a society full of strong men, how are they going to control us? You understand? Because everything is, women, we make everything. You understand? We make the world goes on. So we will never allow these things that is going on out there to happen to us. If they let it, leave us to be the men of our lives. Bloody bro, that is how it is. But we cannot do anything also, bloody bro. They've already done what they want to do. We can never do anything. So the only thing we can do is to put our lives in our hands. You understand? They are showing corn. If you do not watch it and bust one out, how are you going to die? How are you going to lose your strength? You understand? Your mind is telling you, one is telling you, bust one out. One is telling you, keep the energy inside of you. Which one are you listening to as a man? Even if you've not retained your seed before, you watching me, even if you've not, you do not have the knowledge to be on semen retention, which one is the knowledgeable and wisest advice to take? You go to work, you work out, you work very well, and at the end of the day, you get your salary. Your friend calls you, let's go and spend your money. And one of your friends call you, oh, save your money. If you save your money in the future, it will be beneficial for you. You will need it, and when you need it, it will be there for you. Which one are you taking? The one that is telling you to go, let's go out and spend the money, or the one that is telling you to keep it? Bloody bro, we need to be out here as men to keep retaining our seed. You understand? Stop masturbating and let's start meditating. If we meditate and put all of this energy, bring all of these energies to ourselves, there is no way we are going to be weak. If this is the first time you are watching me, I'm gonna let you know and motivate you to let you know that you are never alone. We've been there before, bloody bro. I've done a lot of this, in my life. Masturbation, chasing women, chasing the things that is not beneficial for me, the things that I know that no. And I never know, sorry. Not that I know. I never know, but there was nothing judging me. There was nothing, putting me on track. That is what semen retention steps in, because when you're on semen retention, you have this knowledge, whatever that you are doing, bloody bro, you are going to be judged by your own intuition. You understand? Your own energy will judge you. Like, you know that what you are doing is not good. Stop doing it. What you are doing it. You need to do this to amplify your energy, to amplify yourself. You understand, bloody bro? We are bombarded with a lot of things. The only thing we need to concentrate on is to be the men of our lives and retain this masculine energy. You understand? Retaining this energy is the only solution. There is nothing out there here that can kill us, that they are doing, that can be, that can harm us. For this one, I might be well with you. This energy, this semen is our doctor. This is our teacher that is going to teach us everything. This is our shield, our everything that we need in our lives. But bro, if we have this energetic energy inside of us, there is nothing to be afraid. In the Bible, it says, do not be afraid because I am with you. If you have the energy with you, why are you afraid? Why are you lazy? Because automatically you were never going to be lazy. You wake up and you want to go and do your thing. I just woke up, and I felt this thing inside of me, and I just want to switch on my camera and talk because I have the energy. If I had bossed one out, bloody bro, I would never have the passion, the courage to switch on the camera and speak. Bloody bro, we are speaking a raw gospel, the last testament that men needs to know. This is the ancient secret that they used to build up their nation, and they knew that yes, at that time men were strong. There were strong men out there. So now, if they want to lead us, if they want to tell us what to do, you understand? I was watching a documentary, and they were hunting farmers. They were, they want to put farmers down because farmers are building, are growing their own food. They are, doing their own thing on their farms and all of that. They are not depending on the government. So the government want them to depend on them. So now they want to take over. They were hunting farmers. You understand? They do not want us to do whatever that we want. So if, you want to be in the matrix and all of that, you need to close your mind and close whatever that, you are bombarded with. You understand? You need to accept these things because you have your energy inside of you. At first, we did not have our energy. We did not have our soldier inside of us, so we were afraid. Now that you have your soldier, why are you afraid wherever you are? Just go, be in the matrix, but do not drown yourself in the matrix. You understand? We need to remember ourselves each and every day. If we know who we are, wherever we are, we will know that we are the light. You understand? We are living in a dark world and we are the light. We are not searching any light out there. If we search these lights, this artificial light is what we are going to find, which will make us forget who we are, confuse us. But we have the light. We talking about the light, I'm talking about, we make things go on. Without this energy, bro, nothing can be done. You understand? The matrix and the elites and all of these things, they will not come to you like, as I said, they were hunting the farmers and all of that. They will not come to your house and give you nothing. It is all in your hands, on your TV, the hub. You understand? It is all there. You just pick up your phone, you just switch on your TV, and it is there. They take your energy out from you. You understand? They do not want masculine men out there here. They do not want men to strive out there here. I was talking to my boss. You understand? And no, I was even working, and my boss came to me and he said, "Nastro fega." This is an Italian word that I do not even understand. I had to ask someone to explain it to me. You understand? He was talking about pussy. The hole. But he said it in a way that I did not understand. But bro, I said it to let you know that our mindset is always the whole. In Italiano is they call it fega. Bloody bro, that is the only thing we are thinking about. My boss looking at me, you know what I mean? He was, one time I saw him looking at me like this. When I raised my hand, I saw him looking at me and he did this. No homo, bloody bro. He's not that, you know what I mean? He's not part of that. But she sense and feel the energy that is I am holding to work. And he came to me and said this, you know what I mean, lustful and pleasure thing that will put my mind, you know, she feels my energy like, you know what I mean, I am active. I can do whatever that I want to do. Bloody bro, that is what they think. Everybody, the mindset, our mindset is all lust. You know what I mean? We want another whole. You know what I mean? We are never satisfied. And that is what makes us lazy. But bro, that is the, you know what I mean, what is the reason why men are lazy out here? You understand? Masturbation. Chasing these pleasure, these material things. That is why we are weak. Because we chase and trade it with our energy. And the solution, if you are watching me, if you watch me to this far, and the solution is to retain your energy. Stay back from the things that the universe is trying to give to us. We need to stay back from the material world, from the things, and start looking within, because everything is within us, bloody bro. We can never maneuver out there without our energy. Everything is within us. As I said, yes, we are living in the matrix. We can never ever run away from the matrix. But if you are in the matrix and the matrix is giving you things, you need to know that you are in charge. You have the choice to choose and do what you want to do out here. You understand? You have the red pill and you have the blue pill. But it is your choice to choose what you want. You need to know what time it is. You understand? As I said, I switched on the TV. I saw they were watching corn. They were showing corn. I never watched it. I switched it back off. You understand? That is the control. That is the choice that you have. Are you going to switch it off, or are you going to keep on watching? Bloody bro, out here we are seriously retaining our seed. It is beneficial and essential. I will always say in my videos. So if you watch me to this far, I ain't gonna lie to you that subscribe so that you will always see me on your notifications, because I will always be here. I ain't stopping. I go by the name Nana Antwi. Out here retaining our seed. I do not need to tell you that it is all day, like every day, family.